everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of AI. While ChatGPT and Gemini are racing to see who can generate the best images, Claude, widely considered the world's best coding AI, is staying completely out of the race. Is this a lack of capability on Anthropic's part, or is it a calculated move to protect the world? The truth is, this is all about AI safety. Despite generating over $1 billion in revenue in just 6 months and dominating the fields of coding and complex reasoning, Anthropic has intentionally chosen not to include image generation. Why? Because they prioritize the responsible and ethical development of AI above all else. By avoiding image generation, they are taking a stand against the rise of deepfakes, misinformation, and the massive copyright issues that currently plague the industry. For Anthropic, safety isn't just a feature, it's the foundation upon which they were built. They believe that while the market is already flooded with image-making tools, the world desperately needs AI that is secure, reliable, and strictly ethical. This isn't a limitation, it's a deliberate safety decision. It's a reminder that technology shouldn't just be about what we can build, but what we should build for the safety of society. What do you think about Anthropic's stand? Is safety more important than features? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.